be showing you my bike setup, and I'm gonna name all the parts. Okay, this is my bike setup. So I have a Shadow Recruit seat. It's very comfy, nice, $32. I have animal pedals, as you can see here. They are, I think they were $18 for a pair. I have a United stem. It's pretty good. It gets dirty really easily. I have a United bars. They're not the best you can get, but they're alright. I have Colt Vans grips. They're really good. Help a lot, $11. Really grippy. Bar ends, also Colt Vans. Tires, United. Not the best, but 65 PSI, not that bad. I have United spokes. They're alright, I guess. Let's see, I have both of my tires actually United. I have a United rim. It's not that bad. My cranks are also United. My frame here is really nice too. I like the color of it. And it's also United. So basically this whole entire bike is United. And my cranks are also, they're pretty good. Get scratched easily though, but they're nice. My hubs, they're pretty loud. And I like my hubs. My front hub is pretty gay, but it's nice. My back hub, I like my back hub. It's a cassette. I wouldn't prefer free coasters because it's when you if you try to do a fakie and you use a free coaster rim, it's gonna be harder because you have to keep your balance. But when you pedal backwards to do a fakie, it's much easier because you have more balance. It is more work, yes, but then you have more balance and it's easier for you to fakie. In my opinion, you could have a different opinion, but so I have these brakes on to help me have my balance for if I try to nose manual, help me keep my balance. And I'm gonna take them off soon, but they're super scratched, as you can see. But I would prefer getting these grips, this seat and those pedals. They're super nice, and I don't regret anything that I bought. This bike is super nice itself, and my forks are also United. Get scratched easily. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe.